RV fans, ever wondered what happens when a semi-truck meets luxury living? Stick around, because the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is about to blow your mind with power, comfort, and features you need to see. Hit that subscribe button and let's roll. What's good, road warriors? Today, we're diving into the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, a beast that's half truck, half palace. Built on Kenworth's legendary semi-truck chassis, this bad boy is made for those who want to live large on the open road. Let's check out what makes this $350,000 RV the ultimate travel machine. First up, let's talk looks. This thing is sharp. The aerodynamic design screams power, with shiny chrome accents and LED headlights that light up the night. It's built on a heavy-duty Kenworth chassis with a Cummins X15 605 HP engine. Yeah, you heard that right, 605 horsepower. Towing your boat or trailer. No sweat. Plus, the 18-speed automated transmission makes driving this monster smooth as butter, whether you're a pro or a newbie. And check this out. Heavy-duty suspension and high ground clearance mean you can tackle rough roads without breaking a sweat. This is built to last, folks. Now, let's step inside. Holy cow, this is next level. You've got premium leather seats, handcrafted wood cabinets, and a living area that feels like a penthouse. There's a king-size bed, a full-size shower, and a chef-grade kitchen with stainless steel appliances. Hungry? Whip up a gourmet meal while parked in the middle of nowhere. Oh, and it's smart too. Control the lighting, AC, and even security from your phone. Plus, with off-grid goodies like solar panels and big water tanks, you can camp in the wild for days. And get this, some models even have a jacuzzi and a mini cinema. Yeah, you're basically living in a mansion on wheels. Under the hood, that Cummins engine isn't just powerful, it's fuel-efficient for a rig this size. The advanced safety tech, like lane assist and adaptive cruise, keeps you safe on long hauls. And with customizable layouts, you can make this RV yours. Want a home office? Extra storage? Done. All right, let's break it down. Pros: insane power, luxury vibes, off-grid capability, and Kenworth's legendary durability. Cons: that $350,000 price tag isn't cheap, and it's a big rig, so tight campgrounds might be tricky. But for serious travelers, this is worth every penny. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome your dream RV? Drop a comment below and tell me where you'd take this beast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more RV reviews. Until next time, keep exploring America.